Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about the types of RNA and the process of transcription in bacteria. In bacteria, there are three major types of RNAs are present. What are they? One is mRNA, messenger RNA. Second one is tRNA, transfer RNA. Third one is the rRNA, ribosomal RNA. Okay, na? So these three types of RNAs are involved in transcription process. All three RNAs are needed to synthesize a protein in a cell. The mRNA provides the template. tRNA brings amino acids and reads the genetic code. What is the function of rRNAs? rRNAs plays structural and catalytic role during translation process. Okay, na? mRNA provides the template. tRNA brings amino acids and reads the genetic code. rRNA plays structural and catalytic role during translation process. There is a single DNA dependent RNA polymerase that catalyzes transcription of all types of RNA in bacteria. Only the one DNA dependent RNA polymerase that catalyzes transcription. In prokaryotes, bacteria is one of the example for prokaryotic organisms. Whereas in eukaryotic organisms, three types of DNA dependent RNA polymerase are involved in transcription. Whereas in prokaryotes, only one DNA dependent, single DNA dependent RNA polymerase enzyme is catalyzes transcription. So these functions, please remember, it must be remember for objective. Mainly three steps are there in a transcription process. Three steps are there in transcription. What are they? One is initiation, second one is elongation, and third one is the termination. Initiation begins whenever the RNA polymerase binds to the promoter and initiate transcription process. So first of all, during transcription, RNA polymerase enzyme binds to the promoter region and initiates transcription. Already have learned about the transcription units, regions of transcription unit. How many regions are there? Promoter, terminator, structural genes. Already know very well about that concept. So that knowledge of transcription unit is required to understand the process of transcription. So first of all, RNA polymerase enzyme binds to the promoter and initiates transcription. The RNA polymerase is only capable of catalyzing the initiation, elongation, and termination. RNA polymerase enzyme associates transiently with the initiation factor, that's sigma factor. So initiation factor is sigma. If RNA polymerase enzyme is associated with sigma factor, then it causes initiation of transcription. If the RNA polymerase enzyme is associated with the rho factor, then it causes a termination of transcription process. So sigma and rho factors, two factors are required. Sigma factor is helpful for initiation of transcription. Rho factor is helpful for termination of the transcription process. Hence, the rho factor is known as termination factor. So RNA polymerase associates transiently with the initiation factor and termination factor to initiate and terminate the transcription respectively. RNA polymerase enzyme, it's during initiation process, initiation of transcription, The nucleoside triphosphates are act as a substrates. Already you know the nucleoside triphosphate. That concept we are discussed in replication of DNA molecule. So nucleoside triphosphates act as a substrates, and polymerases in a template dependent fashion following the rule of complementarity. What is the second major step in transcription process? Elongation. RNA polymerase enzyme establishes phosphodiester bonds between the adjacent ribonucleotides. Then length of the RNA is enhanced, increased. Okay, this event takes place in elongation. Whereas in termination, when RNA polymerase enzyme reaches a terminated site, it separates from DNA template. Okay, now whenever the RNA polymerase enzyme reaches at a terminated site, it separates from DNA template. So, Rho factor is specific protein which helps RNA polymerase enzyme to recognize the terminator site. So, finally, the RNA and RNA polymerase enzymes are separated from a DNA molecule. So, transcription process. In transcription, what is transcription? The copying of genetic information from DNA to RNA is known as a transcription, or the synthesis of RNA molecules from DNA is known as transcription. So, that transcription is followed by the translation process. So, transcription and translation takes place in the same compartment in bacteria. In prokaryotic organisms, bacteria is one of the example for prokaryotic organisms. So, both the transcription and translation takes place in the same compartment in bacteria. Because in prokaryotes, in bacteria, there is no separation of cytosol and nucleus. Whereas in eukaryotic organisms, the well-defined nucleus is present. That's there. The protoplasm is differentiated into cytosol and nucleus in eukaryotes. Transcription processes takes place in nucleus of eukaryotic cell. Translation processes takes place in cytosol in eukaryotes. But in prokaryotic organisms, both transcription and translation takes place in the same compartment, that is cytosol. Is it clear? So look at here, this is a diagrammatic representation. DNA molecule. What is transcription? The synthesis of RNA from DNA is known as transcription, or the copying of genetic information from DNA to RNA. This is a double stranded DNA molecule, diagrammatic representation. Already know the polarity. The one of the strand polarity has 5 prime, 3 prime, and then the strand polarity has 3 prime, 5 prime. Among these two strands, which strand is act as a templates? The polarity which is having 3 prime, 5 prime strand is act as a template. What are the regions are present in a DNA molecule? Transcription unit, promoter, terminator, and structural genes. Okay. So during the transcription process, first of all, RNA polymerase enzyme is associated with the sigma factor, then it binds to the promoter region, initiation of transcription. Next, the ribose nucleoside phosphates are used, RNA molecule formation takes place, and that is extended. Later, after the formation of RNA molecule, RNA polymerase enzyme is binds to the Rho factor, then it's attached to the terminator region. That leads to separation of RNA molecule and RNA polymerase enzyme. So finally, RNA synthesis takes place from DNA molecule. Okay. So this is about the transcription Steps in prokaryotic organisms, bacteria.